What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another video, and today I got a POV for y'all. Right now I'm just driving on the highway, but I know 1,000 times I done said GoPro will be used. I keep forgetting the GoPro. So right now we thugging off the phone, and I'm gonna just get a little driving for y'all. I don't know who. Hopefully we run into some crazy stuff on the road, like not even some crazy stuff, just a car. We might can get a little rolling. Yo, my car been popping so much. Like, listen to this. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that's literally like just regularly letting off the gas. That shit is crazy. We're gonna go ahead and put it in track for y'all. That's back into it. There we go. In track now. I'm being careful over here because it was a cop sitting on the side of the road before on a bike. Actually, I don't even know if this shit still works for real. I'm not telling you no lie. Let me see. You gotta see. Yup, we in there. Got that on just to be safe, just in case. It's a charger up here. I don't know what kind of charger. I don't know what they got going on. I'm finna give y'all a little roll though. Make sure there ain't no cop though, cause you know cops all be in them charges now. I ain't gonna lie, that shit scared me. Niggas started hitting brakes. Y'all hear that, bro? That shit is crazy. A little RT. They better not goddamn try to goddamn cut through the goddamn shit. They got a goddamn. I wish I could have saw their mirror. That shit was crazy. Look at this little RT. I would tell you go get another one. Go get the level up, but that bitch slow too. No cap. I really hope we run into something. Yo, I just love the way this phone quality looks. That's another reason I don't want to get on the GoPro, because, bro, like, this looks amazing. Like, look out the window, boom, you can still see. Look out the front, perfect. The GoPro, you either going to see out the windshield or you're going to see out the window. Lie, y'all boys, I might bring y'all a little car shopping video soon. I might do it this week. Just like go around to a few dealerships. Y'all, they cutting up in traffic. Look at them. I wish I could see their mirror. I'll try to zoom in on their mirror while I'm editing. But they got a damn, like a little beauty mirror taped around their mirror. Moving, ain't he? Me personally, I don't know how people do that shit. Like, I can't go that fast for a long amounts of time. It's two things. I be feeling like either a car gonna swerve out in front of me or something, or it's gonna be a cop, and I don't like dealing with police. I'm not finna speed like hell and then go, oh you don't get the fuck over, you got all that damn space. What the hell? That's crazy. That's why I don't want no slower car, because it's like, bro, I can't like get through that motherfucker like boom. You know what I'm saying? I gotta just floor that bitch. Hopefully we get enough speed and get in there. But like, you know, like a little fast car, that shit, like, you just gotta get in that shit. I'm about to take a picture for this thumbnail though. Soon as I do that, we get a little alert on the thing. But when it's a laser, that means it is not real. Not all the time, but with this one, with a laser, that usually mean like some other shit. It usually don't ever be like a cop for real. It's crazy all the work Atlanta is always doing, bro. It's something building all times of the year. It's like never no, damn, it's like never no breaks. God, this shit look good as hell. I want to get that 14. The 14, okay. You could have went. You fucking, you bullshit, my boy. The 14, that camera is crazy. But I'm gonna put this camera down for a second. Hopefully we get some action in a second. While I'm down here, I kind of want to focus on driving, so catch y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, we just ran into a scat in front of us. I don't know what's finna happen, but I hear him making a bunch of noise. This scat. Show y'all niggas that scat. You know? This motherfucker ain't got no plate. Alright, y'all, well, unfortunately we're not gonna be able to catch up with the scat because I am getting off here. But hopefully one day we do find a scat and we can take care of business, you know what I'm saying? But I think that's gonna be the end of this drive. I will give y'all a pull so y'all can hear, you know, right before we get off the interstate. Y'all can. We'll do it on the way off the interstate. There we go. Alright, y'all boys, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Make sure y'all subscribe for some good Camaro content. Let me know some ideas y'all want to see down below or some cars y'all want to see me race. Just let me know and we can make it happen. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.